Hi viewers, welcome to our channel RGS Info. This video is about how to get the desired columns based on requirements without doing any manual activities using only simple formula. First, we need to create sheet. Just whatever requirement of data, just copy the heading. We want order ID, country and item type. Sales channel we don't want, so simply delete it. Order priority also no need, delete it. Shipping date should be first, so shipping date should come first, then order date. Next is unit sold, unit price. Unit cost is not required, simply total revenue is required, rest of thing not required. Without doing any manual activity, we can fetch data. So our requirement is order ID, country, item type, ship date, order date, unit sold, unit price, total revenue. So select the range, construct formula VLOOKUP, A to lookup value, comma, then from there only just select till total revenue, till the range data exists, freeze it, comma, data is fetched based on column number, so bracket open, very important. We want column number 1, that is order ID, 2 country, 3 item type, then ship date. Ship date should be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Ship date is in 7. Then order date is 6. Unit sold is in 8. Then unit price is 9. Total revenue is 11. Bracket close, comma, 0 for exact match. Control Shift Enter. Just drag the formula. Just copy. Without doing any manual activities, we can able to get the data. So these two should be converted as a date. Once you construct formula, automatically all data can be fetched like this. For formatting, simply select it. Okay. This is one-time job. Once you do it, just in raw data, whenever there is a data you get, you just paste it, you will get same format. Formula will take care. If you like this video, please share it, comment it, please do subscribe for upcoming videos. Thank you.